Slow close seat. The slow close toilet seat closes quietly and helps to prevent slamming. Non-slip bumpers. The non-slip toilet seat bumpers keep the seat from moving or shifting. Fits elongated toilets. This white toilet seat fits most elongated toilet bowls. Easy installation. The fast and secure installation helps prevent loosening. Durable finish. The durable finish is resistant to staining, fading, chipping and peeling. Not intended for commercial use. Easy to install. This Morgan elongated slow close closed front toilet seat with no slip bumpers in white will provide years of reliable use. Delta toilet seats are thoughtfully designed and engineered for outstanding functionality and durability. The innovative no-slip seat bumpers improve stability for extra comfort. Includes mounting hardware and installation instructions for DIY peace of mind. Resistant to staining, fading, chipping and peeling. Top reviews from the United States. Good seat. I bought one of these over 3 years ago for my home office bathroom, and did quite a bit of looking when it came time to replace the worn-out and cracked cushion seat in my master bath. I decided to go with plastic, and am very pleased all around with my second Delta seat. Comfortable, sturdy, and the slow close works great. Installation certainly wasn't difficult, but better details on how to open the bolt covers and put the plastic inserts in would have saved me a little fidgeting around. Also, it was definitely worth the savings to buy used. Just as stated, item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged. I could tell the original product box was returned non-deliverable, but it sure didn't look like it was opened, and everything inside was perfectly sealed and intact.